If you are looking for some awesome fidget spinners, you're absolutely going to love these. You're going to get 100 of them, and they come in different colors. So we have a yellow color right over here. We have a purple right over here. We have this red color right over here. And we also have this blue color. So the cool part about these is I just like, you could fidget a lot of different ways here. You could put these little pieces however you want. You could make them all straight if you wanted to. You could make them like that if you wanted to. You could have a little edge on them, and then you could spin them however you want. So this gives you lots of different ways to fidget spin. I like this a lot. You could even move these up, down, back, and around. Just really, really cool. You're gonna get 25 of each color. Again, you get red, yellow, this nice little blue over here, and red. Just really like these a lot. So if you're looking for some great fidget spinners, definitely check these out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.